Now let's turn our attention to Delhi, where the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. Now this is on the charges of the demolition charges that were levelled. In fact, this is after Arvind Kejriwal's fear-mongering over the demolition of the slums in Delhi. We learned that the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena has now called Kejriwal's allegations a complete lie. This comes after Arvind Kejriwal alleged that the BJP had tendered the land for the Shakur Basti slum. Now, Kejriwal had previously accused the Lieutenant Governor Saxena of changing the routes. Now, Saxena has denied vehemently Kejriwal's allegations and affirmed that the Delhi Development Authority has neither changed the land use of this colony nor has the DDA given any eviction or demolition notice, and he also accused Kejriwal of misleading the people. Let's listen in to what the Lieutenant Governor had to say on the whole row.
अरविंद केजरीवाल शकूर बस्ती की झुग्गियों के नजदीक गए। वहां उन्होंने शकूर बस्ती की झुग्गियों के विषय में जो बयान दिया वो सरासर झूठ है। उन्होंने 27 दिसंबर की डीडीए की बैठक का हवाला देते हुए कहा कि एलजी ने इस जमीन का लैंड यूज चेंज कर दिया है। डीडीए ने ना तो इस बस्ती का लैंड यूज चेंज किया है और ना ही डीडीए ने कोई इविक्शन अथवा डिमोलिशन नोटिस दिया है। श्री केजरीवाल जानबूझकर कोरा झूठ बोल रहे हैं और लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं।
Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Akhil, who's joining us live. Akhil, just recap for our viewers, really, what were the allegations that were levelled by the AAP chief, Arvind Kejriwal, that has now been refuted by the Lieutenant Governor Saxena, and prompting, again, this is in the context, ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, which is weeks away from. Viewers, the latest update on ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, we've learned that Arvind Kejriwal, who had levelled allegations saying that the land was tendered by the BJP for the Shakur Basti slum. Now, the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, V.K. Saxena, has torn into Kejriwal and said that all allegations levelled by the AAP chief is not only leading to fear-mongering, but it is a means to mislead the people. Whereas now let's turn our attention to Jammu and Kashmir, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to inaugurate the tunnel in Sonmarg. This is all set to boost the logistics, also the local economy, and make Sonmarg a year-round tourism hub, really, so to speak. And this will also make it accessible not only for Srinagar and also the very remote Ladakh region.
In a big boost to connectivity in Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to inaugurate the 6.5-kilometer Zedmohar Road tunnel between Gagangir and Sonmarg in the valley. The Zedmohar Road tunnel aims to make Sonmarg an all-weather tourist destination. The tunnel will make Sonmarg accessible for tourists during the winter for the first time and shorten the route for pilgrims traveling to the Sri Amarnath Cave Shrine.
When we talk about this Gagangir tunnel, this is located on the Srinagar-Kargil-Leh highway, and it is going to be a game changer as far as this stretch is concerned, and it will also bypass the avalanche-prone area that is giving a boost to the entire tourist belt in the area. It is going to give military support to the convoys, those who will be traveling to Ladakh or will be coming to Kashmir Valley, because ultimately the Gagangir is one of the gateways to the Kashmir Valley. Then obviously the tourism sector will get the boost and will also generate the employment for the people of J&K.
The 6.5-kilometer tunnel will provide year-round access to Sonmarg, bypassing the avalanche-prone Gagangir-Sonmarg stretch. Together with Jojila Tunnel, it will enhance connectivity to Baltal, Kargil and Ladakh. crucial for the military logistics and uninterrupted travel during harsh winters.
This is the tunnel that will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister of the country, Narendra Modi, on January 13. He will be accompanied by Minister for Transport Nitin Gadkari, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, and LG of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. As far as this tunnel is concerned, this is going to be a game-changer tunnel because you see this is a 6.4 kilometer tunnel, and it has been constructed at the cost of some 2,400 kilometer, and it will not only reduce the travel time between Gagangir and Sonmarg, but will provide boost to the local economy. It will be a support to the tourists and also will give a support to the military logistics because this is located on Sonmarg, Kargil and Ladakh highways.
The Indian Railways on Wednesday also successfully operated a train at 110 kilometers on USBRL's Katra-Banihal section, paving the way for train operations between Katra and Srinagar. The project is expected to create employment opportunities for local youth, promote tourism and stimulate the local economy.